Family docket F-2460-20-10 in the matter of the marriage of Sonia Quiroz versus Victoriano Quiroz. Mr. Trevino, good morning, sir.
Morning, Judge. We're present and ready for the prove up of the divorce.
Okay, let's see. Ms. Quiroz, can I get you to raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give in your case is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead and lower your hand, ma'am. And I'll go ahead and take judicial notice of everything in the court's file at this time, Mr. Trevino. Go ahead.
Thank you. Ms. Quiroz, state your full name for the record, please.
Sonia Quiroz.
And you lived in the state of Texas for the last 180 days and the county of Hidalgo for the last 90 days?
Yes, sir.
Lost the divorce? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And did you have any children of the marriage?
Yes, 2.
2? Would that be Aaron and Daniel Quiroz?
Yes, sir.
And their ages are 5 and 7. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. And you're not expecting any more children at this time, correct?
No.
Okay. Do you have an agreement with your husband as far as the visitation is concerned?
Standard.
Pardon me? I can't hear you.
Standard visitations.
Okay, well, I'm going to ask you that. Basically, you're going to be the joint managing conservator. You're going to be the primary, and your husband is going to be, he's going to have standard visitation rights. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And you don't have any problem with that?
No, sir.
Okay, and then there was no community property of the marriage?
Not at all, no.
And so you're asking the court that you keep whatever you have in your possession and he keeps whatever he has in his possession?
Yes, sir.
What about the debts? You're asking the court that you be responsible for your debts and he's responsible for his debts?
Correct.
Okay. And you're asking the court for a divorce?
Yes, sir.
Judge, I think we passed the witness.
Okay. And I guess for the record, the respondent was served on July 31st, 2020. He is not present here on Zoom, nor is he present here at the courthouse. Having heard all the testimony at this time, I'll grant the divorce. Mr. Trevino, have you filed the decree?
Judge, yeah, we did.
Okay. Let me just check in the queue as soon as I get a chance to, and I'll sign off on it. I would say by next week, you should be able to get a copy of it.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
If you have nothing further, you can be excused. Thank y'all. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay, let's see. The next one we have here is number 3 on our docket, F-1788-20-10 in the matter of the marriage of Sergio Vidal Moreno Salazar versus Irene Moreno. Let's see, Mr. Cura, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. I didn't realize I was on mute.
No, no worries. Let's see. You are representing Mr. Is it
Yes,
Mr. Salazar?
Yes, the petitioner, Your Honor, and he should be on the Zoom conference from my office.
Okay, he is. Let's see. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Okay, so just for the record, I'll take judicial notice of all the, I guess, everything in the court's file. Let's see, Mr. Salazar, go ahead and raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give in your case is the truth, the whole truth? Keep your hand up, sir. Raise your right hand. Okay. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give in your case is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can lower your hand, sir. Okay, go ahead, Mr. Cura.
Thank you. Good morning, Sergio. Are you the same Sergio Vidal Moreno Salazar that filed a petition for divorce sometime last year?
Yes, I am.
And before filing for divorce, you lived in the state of Texas for a period of at least 6 months?
Yes.
And you lived in the county of Hidalgo for at least the previous 90 days before filing?
Yes.
Okay, and you're asking the court to grant this divorce today based on irreconcilable differences and discords of personalities, correct?
Yes.
In other words, there's no chance that y'all are gonna reconcile. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And so you're just asking the court to grant this divorce, and nobody's fighting anything really, and both of you agree, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, were there any children of the marriage? There were not, correct?
No.
Okay. And y'all have already agreed, based on the entry of the divorce decree that you signed, and that your soon-to-be ex-wife, Miss Irene Moreno, signed. You all are agreeing to split the property in your possession to you, and the property in her possession to her. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And as far as the debts, any debts in your name, you're going to take care of. Any debts in her name, she's going to take care of. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
There's no house or anything else to split. Is that right?
No.
Okay. Make sure you answer for the record, because they're typing up what you say. Okay. At this point in time, it is your signature that appears on the bottom of your divorce decree that we filed with this court earlier this week, correct?
Correct.
And is there any reason that you would think for the court not to grant your divorce?
No.
Okay. That's all I have, Judge. If I believe the decree has been signed and entered into the queue, into the system.
Okay, let's see. And I know that we've got another device with the name Sergio Moreno on it on here.
Okay, it was my
Is that
phone.
you? Okay, all right, just making sure. And just for the record, Ms. Moreno is not present. However, it is my understanding she has signed up on the decree. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor, and there should be a waiver on file already for, some time.
Okay, all right. Well, if you have nothing further, I will approve the divorce. As soon as I get it in the queue, I'll sign off on it. I would say that you should be able to get a copy by next week.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you so much. Good seeing you.
Same here. You guys have a good day. Thank
You
you.
too, Judge. That's all I have. May I be excused?
You may. Thank you.
Take care, Judge. Bye-bye.